In today's whirlwind of emails, finding a way to keep that inbox tidy and your workflow smooth can feel like a Herculean task. But fear not, for AI technology has come to the rescue. With some pretty nifty tools designed to make email management a breeze. Let me walk you through the top 10 AI email management heroes of 2024. Each bringing its own set of superpowers to the table. 1. SaneBox is like your personal email butler, smartly sorting through your emails based on your habits. It tucks away the non-essential emails into a neat little folder, so you can focus on what's truly important. 2. Sales Handy steps up as the go-to guru for sales teams, digital marketers, and startups, with a laser focus on email campaigns and tracking. It's all about crafting those personalized emails and diving deep into the analytics. 3. EmailTree acts as the ultimate simplifier, using AI to cut through the clutter of email communication and take repetitive tasks off your hands. From sorting emails to crafting auto-responses, it's got you covered. 4. SmartWriter is the creative genius helping you draft those spot-on personalized cold emails, LinkedIn messages, and sales documents, by analyzing info to perfectly tailor messages for each recipient. 5. OpenPause is the open-source maestro for enterprise collaboration, blending a powerful email management system with top-notch collaboration tools for a seamless experience. 6. Phrasee uses its AI smarts to jazz up your email subject lines, push notifications, and social ads, employing advanced language generation to boost your email marketing game. 7. Boomerang for Gmail is the popular kid on the block, bringing email scheduling, reminders, tracking, and even an AI assistant to keep your Gmail game strong. 8. Optimail leverages AI to not just automate, but also optimize your email marketing campaigns, making sure your emails land at just the right time with the perfect content. 9. SpamTitan is the guardian of your inbox, with its AI-based powers focused on sniffing out spam, phishing messages, malware, and ransomware, keeping your digital space safe and sound. Evair is the collaborative champion for businesses rocking Google Workspace. Whether you're in customer support, finance, or HR, it streamlines email management for smoother team collaboration.